Hello everyone, I'm Cree. Welcome to my channel. Halloween is coming, so I have prepared a series of Halloween videos for you. We're going to start with this one, Mummy Oreo Balls. Aren't they super cute? I think they are. And they are also super delicious, so let's get started. We're going to need a family-size Oreo package, the one that includes about 48 cookies. Now I will crush the Oreos in a food processor. Oops, this cookie wants to escape, come back! Anyway, if you don't have a food processor, you can use a blender or a Ziploc bag with a rolling pin. Pour the crushed cookies in a bowl and add an 8-ounce package of cream cheese. Make sure that the cream cheese is at room temperature, it is very important. With a hand mixer, beat the cream cheese and crushed cookies together. Start out at the minimum speed and gradually increase the speed so you don't get anything in your face, or I guess you could always lick it up. When the cream cheese is completely mixed in and the dough consistency is thick and sticky, it is ready for the next step. Guys, these cookies are so delicious. If you like Oreos as well, give this video a thumbs up. This is the texture we need, kind of sticky. With clean hands, grab a little bit of dough and shape it into a small ball. When the ball is formed, place it on a cookie sheet. Remember to put a piece of parchment paper under the Oreo balls and repeat the same process until you run out of dough. If you have little ones at home, this will be the perfect task for them. My kids always want to help me prepare these treats. They just love them. I was able to get 17 balls in total. This can vary depending how big or small you make them or how much dough you eat. Now place them in the fridge for about 5 minutes so they harden up and are easier to handle. For the chocolate covering, the best part, we will use 2 cups of white chocolate chips and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Melt the chocolate in the microwave at 50% power in 30-second intervals. It is very important to keep stirring the chocolate in between intervals to avoid burning it. Once the chocolate has cooled enough to handle, cover the Oreo balls one by one with chocolate. Look how delicious the chocolate looks. Try to cover the Oreo balls as much as possible so there aren't any parts without chocolate. When the Oreo ball is completely covered in chocolate, return it to the cookie sheet and keep working on the other Oreo balls. This is one of my favorite Halloween treats because it's so easy to do. You can make them for a Halloween party, or if you want to surprise your little one, you can include it in their lunchbox. They are truly delicious. When all the truffles have been covered in chocolate, place them in the fridge for about 10 minutes to harden them. Because they look a little transparent, I'm going to give them a second coat. The second coat will make them look better when finished. This is not always necessary, it just depends on how they look after the first coat hardens. If some of the truffles have excess chocolate in their border, remove it carefully with your fingers, very slowly so it doesn't break the rest of the chocolate. If you're liking this video so far, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. When you're done with the truffles, place them in the fridge for another 10 minutes. Using a knife, cut the excess chocolate border from all the truffles, so they look neater and so much cuter. With the help of a glass, pour the remaining chocolate into a Ziploc bag. To avoid the chocolate from going everywhere, I tie an elastic around the top of the bag. This trick makes a whole world of difference when decorating. Cut the tip of the bag and start drizzling the chocolate all over the Oreo balls to resemble mummy bandages. Drizzle the lines from both directions, no need to follow a pattern, do it as you like. When you're done, put them back on the fridge for an additional 10 minutes. And this is how the truffles look when they're fully hardened. For the final touch, we will need a squeezable red jet food coloring. I chose red because it makes them look spookier, but if you would like a different look, you can use candy eyes. Keep adding the eyes to the Oreo balls. It is fun to make different expressions. Be creative. And they are ready. They turned out super cute, didn't they? They were also super easy and quick to do. These truffles aren't just pretty, they have a very good flavor. You will love them. That was all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with all your friends. See you in the next video. Bye!